Unlocking interrogative pronouns. The power of whose. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on learning English grammar fundamentals. Today, we are diving deep into an important topic in our Introduction to Pronouns series, interrogative pronouns. Specifically, we are going to talk about a very special interrogative pronoun, whose. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Before we delve into whose, it's important to refresh our understanding of interrogative pronouns. These are the pronouns that we use to ask questions. They are called interrogative because they interrogate, which means they ask or inquire. Examples include who, whom, whose, what, and which. Now that we've revised what interrogative pronouns are, let's meet our star for today, whose. Unlike the other interrogative pronouns, whose is used to ask questions about possession or ownership. It helps us find out to whom something belongs. Let's look at how to use whose in questions. The general structure is whose plus noun plus verb plus subject. For example, whose book is this? Or, whose car is parked outside? Note that whose must always be followed by a noun. It's asking about the ownership of that noun, so the noun is an essential part of the question. Now that you've learned the basics, let's see how whose functions in everyday conversation. Here are some examples. At a lost and found counter, whose umbrella is this? In a classroom, whose assignment is still pending? In a household, whose turn is it to wash the dishes? Remember, the pronoun whose is a powerful tool to get information about possession in a respectful and concise way. And there you have it, folks. We've unpacked the interrogative pronoun, whose, understood its purpose, how to use it in questions, and how it functions in conversation. With whose, you can ask about ownership or possession in a clear and polite manner. I hope this video helps you on your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvements every day. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. In our next video, we'll explore more exciting topics. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Remember to hit like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning, everyone!